Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make what I call a Green Iguana number 2. To make this drink, I'm going to start with the juices because they're going to be hard to reach. I'm going to start with my coconut syrup. The recipe does call for a coconut cream or a cream of coconut. So use that if you've got that. I do make my own coconut syrup. Recipe is here on the channel if you want to go check that out. Link down below. 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of coconut syrup. 3 ounces of pineapple juice. 3 ounces is 90 milliliters. Then 1 ounce of orange juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And note, this is the only citrus, so it's going to be really sweet. 1 ounce of your white rum. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of blue curaçao. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. And finally, 1 ounce of your coconut rum. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. This bottle is so big. It's not the size that counts, it's the quality of the ingredients or something. Add your ice and give it a shake. There is no official glass listed. I'm going to use a pint. I'm going to add ice into the glass. I'm going to strain the drink into the glass. Little bit of space left, so I'm going to let some of this ice go in there too. Finally, the garnish. The garnish is 2 cherries, skewered to look like eyes. So these are the eyes of the iguana, which in my case is a little bit more blue than green, but there you go. Add a straw, and there you have it. A Green Iguana number 2. Drink with good spirits.